click My Apps, then select the app, click on Edit Pages, and find a page called About Clubs HTML and click Edit. And now we have in the web previewer an image just for the demo purpose. To view this page, how it performs, you need to open it on your smartphone using Apps Volcano Previewer app. This page contains two sections. First one is called root, and second section contains all the business locations name and buttons like call to act, tap to call, email club, and all the others. For start, we need to go to section first called root. Then we're gonna be adding a business name. Let's add our Uno Restaurant. So under the letter U, click it, plus under the text the name. Those two we leave empty. Action, open, action param, again restaurant name, and add. That's it. Close the section. Then we will replace Oceana Club with our location. So just a reminder, all those names, business names, are related to Leeds Club Finder. I left them here just to make the tutorial and making the page more easier. So click Oceana Club. Now we need to rename Oceana Club. Click on the pencil, select and input your name, and OK. Now we need to click the first icon, the play icon, and rename this name as well. To do so, simply click on it, select, rename, and OK. Now we're clicking on the second icon, play, and here is the button under the listing. So to customize it, simply click on it, replace the phone number in this case, click OK, then go to email club. You can rename the button name to email the restaurant or whatever you need. Replace the email address and click OK. Go to web, the same, you're replacing the URL, click OK. Dress code, you can replace it to some other page, or you can customize as you like. When you're done, click OK. Openings hours as well, customize to your need. Gallery, so after a user will click the gallery tab, it will be taken to Uno Restaurant. As you remember, in previous video we made Uno Gallery already, but if you putting here new listings, you will have to create gallery page. When you're done, click OK. Then we have about, the same story, customize to your need, click OK. Address, click for directions, replace the address. Please remember that the action needs to be selected as a map. Click OK. In here, some advertisement. In this case, after it's clicked, it will be taken to this page. And here another one. If you would like to add one more button, simply click plus, call it, let's say, app powered by. In here we will set action to open a page, which we will call, let's say, power .html, click add in here, and now since we pointed it to a page, we need to create this page. So let's do it now. Save everything. We need to leave this page and go to our list of all the pages inside the app. And now we need to add a page called Power. To do so, click plus. Now change the view to grid. And here are the samples of templates of a pages which we can choose from. I will choose maybe this one. Then click next. We need to call it exactly as we named in previous screen, so we call it Power Create. And this is the page where a user will be taken after he will click the button called Power Byte. And now to customize it, it's very easy. You simply click on the text, go to HTML and type your text. To change the text color, simply click on text, select your color, font size, and all the settings are available as well. Background. If you're ready, click apply. Then again, to change the image, simply click on it, navigate to HTML, click pen icon, and click upload and navigate to your image on your computer. Whenever you're done, simply click save and done. Let's go back to our page called About Clubs. Okay, so far we have added restaurant name to our, under the letter which it will show up, it was you, and then we customized all the information about this particular restaurant. Now we will add another restaurant. This will be DOS restaurant. So first we go into root section. DOS is under the D. I added this earlier, so now I will cancel it. Okay, as you can see, I have deleted the letter, so I'm gonna have to add one letter, D. So plus D, add. Okay, now I'm going to D and simply click plus. Our restaurant's name goes here, action, list, action, DOS restaurant, and add. Close it. And now we will create the information about DOS restaurant. Let's replace, let's say, this one. So we're clicking on the pen icon here, replace the name. Okay, now we're clicking on this, do the same, and now the play icon, and we're typing on the button and replacing the information exactly as we did previously. So click on it, customize, and OK. Again, the only difference will be the gallery. Right now it's pointing to the gallery page called highlight, but we need it to point to the gallery page called DOS, which in this case is not done yet. So let's put in here DOS. OK. And now let's add gallery page DOS to our list of pages. And now you could take some sample gallery page which is not in use at the moment and simply click edit and replace the images, but I will show you the other way, which is to add blank gallery page. To do so, click plus, swap to grid view, so you see all the pages available at appsvolcano.com. As you can see, there is a lot of them. I will not explain them in this tutorial just to don't complicate. If you like to find out more about them, simply please go to tutorials page. Now we are going to a category of pages called image page types. So you could use any of those. As you can see, they look different, but we are after this one called slide. Click next. Now we need to call our gallery DOS. It needs to be exactly as the name which we input in previous screen. And now you simply select first image, which is sample, then go to image here, click those three dots and click upload and navigate to your image on your computer. The image size will be 320 by 350, or you can make a little bit higher, like 400, so it will fit nicely on the screen. The description, there's an option to put description which will show right under the photo. If you would like to connect this photo with some other page, after the photo is clicked, you can simply connect it by clicking here and selecting the page where would you like a user to be taken after he clicks on it. Whenever you're ready, you simply click save and done. If you would like to add more images, click plus. If you like to delete it, click minus. Whenever you're done, click save to save the changes and done. And our DOS gallery is done. Let's go back to our page about clubs. And we will add one more restaurant. Polanka restaurant. So first we go into root, under the letter P, plus Polanka restaurant, action list, action para, same name. That's it. Now let's say replace this one. So first as you can see, we have two pens icon. The first one which we need to click is the bottom one. Replace the name. The rest of the setting as it is. Okay. Now we're clicking on this name to replace it. Replace and OK. Now the play icon. You click one by one, customizing to your needs. your information and click OK. To add one more button, simply click plus, name it Get Listed in this app, action, open, Get Listed, let's say HTML page, and add. And obviously, as I mentioned earlier, you would have to create now Get Listed page. That's it. Last thing I like to mention, if you're done, please go one by one through those letters and delete the sample information. To do so, simply select it, click remove. Select, click remove, or whatever you don't need it. This is to section root, and as well applies to the other sample business which is not in use. So simply click it, delete, click it, and delete, click and delete. Whenever you're ready, preview the page on Apps Volcano Previewer on your smartphone. If everything is okay, then click save and done.